right before Christmas. What did I tell you was coming in? I said beanies were coming in. I've got gray, I've got black, and they are mighty cool because, hey, I would never put anything over my spectacular hair unless it's an OTG beanie. So here you go, people. They are nicely embroidered in there. We got gray, we got black. Again, only a limited amount. And just in case you forgot what I also had, don't forget, we got our newest and greatest Black Betty. That is my shop chuck that you see doing all the burnouts on Instagram. Our decal. We got our Keeping It Traditional decal right there. We got many more decals in the case, but you'd have to go to oldtimegarage.ca if you want to see them all. And of course, you remember, we did our black t-shirt with our pin-up girl on the back. We've got that. We've still got our true, original Adams Road Car Show paint and chrome. Don't get you home with my 52 Chevy on it. And this is my road out front, Adams Road. And the newest, latest, and greatest on the front, we've got our logo. And on the back, we've got my 31 Model A. Keeping it traditional. And that's what it's all about here at OTG. Okay, so come on down. You got just enough time to buy this stuff. Right now, shipping is getting very close to Christmas time. So if you don't buy it soon, you will not get it for Christmas. Okay, there you go. Remember, it's always a good time at Old Time. Check us out, oldtimegarage.ca. See you later.